can maybe not break the bow, but you will destroy the bow stick and it won't be straight anymore. So basically it will turn from the violin bow to the real bow. The only thing what you would need is a arrow. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell, like this you will get a notification when new video or lesson will be ready for you. In general on my channel you'll find a lot of lessons for the beginner violin players, music theory for the beginners. For example, if you don't know name of the notes or you don't know how to count, guess what? I have those lessons already. Everything on my channel organized in the playlist. All those playlists you can find in description down below, or you can follow the cards that will appear above my head during this video time to time. Today I decided to quickly explain you how to tie your bow correctly, because sometimes I see young violin players, beginner violin players who tighten their bow either too much, either too less. First, let's repeat the parts of the bow. Tip of the bow, bow stick, grip, frog, screw, and bow hair. Why is it so important to tie your bow correctly? Well, if you will tie your bow too much, and I hope you will be able to see it, look what's happening to our bow stick. First of all, it might crack. Second of all, if you play with the bow like this for a long time, you can maybe not break the bow, but you will destroy the bow stick and it won't be straight anymore. So basically it will turn from the violin bow to the real bow. The only thing what you would need is an arrow. And third, this kind of bow pretty much very hard to control. If you're not gonna tie your bow enough, first of all, forget about bow strokes. You won't be able to perform none of them. Then you will scratch your bow stick a lot. And third, your sound will be very scratchy, like your bow stick. So let's assume that when you bought your bow, it was just like this. Yeah, the hair was totally relaxed. You see, all bows, they are totally different, so I cannot tell you exactly. You have to twist your screw 10 times, 9 times, or maybe 9.5. So you kind of have to figure out this thing on your own. I can show you approximately how it should look like. So tie your bow, yeah, and how we are tying our bow, we just twisting the screw here. Okay, so this, it's look just fine. Maybe on your bow you have to twist the screw a little bit longer, or maybe just a couple of times. But there is one more trick how you can check if your bow tight enough. Try it on your left hand. If you see that when you're pressing on your bow stick and it's kinda tight, but still you can touch the hair, you're good to go. If you tie your bow too much, look what's happening. It is very hard. First of all, when you're pressing on the bow stick, it's too hard to press and you cannot touch with the bow stick the hair. And if you tie your bow not enough, let's do something like this. It will be too easy to press on your bow stick, and it will be too easy to reach your hair with the bow stick. You see? So it has to be something in the middle, like a spring. After you tie your bow, don't forget to apply a little bit of rosin. I do have already a video how you should apply your rosin on the bow, but small reminder, don't forget to do this kind of movement. Like this, you will use your rosin equally, and you won't have those ugly gaps in your rosin. After, you can shake a little bit your bow to get rid of rosin dust, and you're good to go. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to put a like if you like this video. Don't forget to check my other videos. And by the way, if you have any questions, really any questions regarding to the violin, don't afraid, don't hesitate, don't be shy to write me down below in the comments, or visit my Instagram page valeriiavoitko violin and hit me with DM. I will be glad to help you. See you next Wednesday. Don't forget to practice. And yes, I'll know. Bye!